In this video, we'll walk you through the process of signing up as an affiliate marketer in All the Trends affiliate marketing program. Let's start by opening a new browser and typing the website, allthetrends.pw. On the home page, in the upper right corner of the screen, you will find the Affiliates tab. Also, if you scroll down the page, you will find the Affiliate Program link on the left side of the footer. Either of these will lead you to the Affiliates page. You can choose to log in if you are an existing affiliate or sign up if you are interested in applying for the program. To sign up, you will be redirected to our host website, which is payhip.com. There are only 2 simple steps in your application. On the first step, you will be asked to enter the email address that you will be using as an affiliate, together with your desired password. Once completed, press the Create Account button. The next step is for you to fill in your PayPal email. This is where we will send you your income. When done, press the Save Settings button. Your application will then be reviewed by our team. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email that your affiliate account has been approved and you can now log into it. There are 2 ways to access the login page of your affiliate account. First, go to our website's affiliate page and press the login button, which will redirect you to PayHip's login page. Another way is to go back to your email and click on the blue PayHip account link. Then, you can enter the email address and the password that you used on your application. In your affiliates dashboard page, the products that will be assigned to you by All the Trends will start to show up. If your desired product is not shown, kindly send us a message via our Contact Us page, and we will be happy to assist you with your request. To do this, go back to allthetrends.pw website and scroll all the way down to the footer. Click on the Contact Us link and fill in the form and press Send. Go back to your affiliate dashboard in PayHip, and once your request is approved by our team, you will see new entries of products that you can promote. Not only can you use individual links to promote specific products, but you can also promote the entire store through your affiliate store page link. By doing so, customers can see all the products available and choose which one they would like to purchase. There you have it. Congratulations! You are now a member of our thriving community of affiliates. Remember to always visit our website for new product uploads and promo announcements. Thanks for watching.